All businesses using the offline business tools like Tally, Dizzy, and even specific formats with Word and Excel sheets for their invoices can now upload all of it into HiloBiz, and we take care from there. HiloBiz would help you digitize your business receivables and also automate the payment reminders that businesses would like to send to their clients. As a business, you also get to see the reconciliation dashboard to get insights and administer the health of your business. In this video, we'll take you through the bulk upload and single upload of the invoices from an offline tool and how you can process them further.
Now we will log into Hilo and go through the features. So once you register on Hilo and log in, this is how your dashboard looks like. So as you can see, you will see a brief summary of your receivables as well as payables. So on the first box, if you see, there is total receivables. So this is the total value of invoices that you have raised on the platform. Out of this value, how much value you have received through Hilo and how much is due. Similarly, there is a further breakup of receivables where we are comparing the data from the last month's data. So as you can see, from the previous month, this is the total amount of invoices that are raised in this month, and they are up by this much % from the previous month. Further breakdown shows how much collection is done digitally, how much cash is collected, how much check is collected, and so on. So this is how the dashboard look like. Now we will go through the collect payment service and we'll show you how it works. So there are two ways to collect payment: single transaction and bulk uploads. So single transaction, you need to punch in your invoice number, enter the amount that you want to raise the invoice, the mobile number of the customer to whom you want to raise this invoice, and based on this mobile number, the system will fetch the records against this mobile number that are saved on the platform. So as you can see, email and the name of the customer are auto-populated on the platform. You can select the due date of this particular invoice, and you can upload the supporting documents. So you can upload invoices or any other supporting document against this invoice can be uploaded here. Any additional notes, remarks that you want to add can be added here. And then click on initiate payment. This is a brief summary of the invoice that you are raising, and confirm. So what this does is it will send out a payment link along with the attachment to the customer to whom you have sent this invoice. The customer can click on that payment link and can make a payment. I'll show you how it is done. So the customer will receive this email giving the details of the transaction, the invoice number, the amount of the transaction, and the due date of the transaction. The additional remarks that you have added will also be shown in this email, and the attachment that you have provided for this particular invoice. The customer clicks on Pay Now button, and he will be redirected to a payment page where he can either pay the full amount or he can make partial payments also. He can edit the amount here. We have different payment options through net banking, UPI, or through card. So also payment can be done. So I'm using net banking here. So this is how the transaction is done on Hilo. As soon as the transaction is done, the customer will receive a confirmation saying the transaction is done, and the status of the transactions you can see in real time on the receivables section, saying that this transaction has been paid or cancelled or pending, whatever the status is. So here is the list of all the transactions. So this is how a single payment is done. Now we will go through the bulk payment option. So in bulk payment, what you can do is, if you are using any other ERP like Tally, you can download a file from Tally and you can come on Hilo and upload that file, and all the transactions, all the records that are there in the file, payment links will be sent to those customers. So how to configure a file format and how to send bulk transactions, I'll show you that. So you can configure multiple file formats here. So suppose you downloaded a file from Tally and you are uploading it here. So you can click on configure file formats, give a name to your file format. This is a one-time activity that you need to do. Choose the file that you want to upload, and you will see the column names of your file in the file column section. Now the next part is you should map your files columns with Hilo. So suppose transaction number is the first thing. So you will select the column in which your transaction number is. So the file I uploaded, the transaction number is in the column invoice number. Similarly, I will choose amount also, contact mobile, email, and the name of the contact. So the file format is created, and you will see the columns that are there in your file here. Once you choose that file, you will upload that file. You will see all the records of this file. Here, a list of records will be shown where you can check the particulars of your transaction, whether they are correct or not. If you want to edit anything, you can edit. And once it is done, you can initiate the collection. And similarly, the payment links will go out to all the customers. And the list of these invoices, these receivables will be shown in the receivables section here. Apart from it, here you can also send reminders to the customer. So Hilo provides automated reminders. So as you can see on this invoice, upcoming reminder dates are shown. So these reminders are configurable. You can configure your own reminders, how frequently you want to send reminders to a customer, or if you want to send a reminder on the fly, that option is also there. You just need to click the remind button. It will send a reminder to the customer saying you need to pay against this particular invoice. If the customer has paid other than the digital payment and you need to mark payment against that invoice, that also can be done. So you just need to click on the invoice, and here you will see the brief summary of the particular transaction. So you will see the particulars of the customer to whom you have sent it and the details of the invoices. Now you can mark payment against this particular invoice. So on the right, you can mark the payment, either it is a check or cash or any other mode of payment. The user selects check. You will select the bank, which bank the check is, what is the amount of that check, check number, and the date of the check. The status of the check, if you want to upload any document, supporting document, and you say save details. Here, the system will ask for your confirmation whether you have punched in the correct details, confirm it, and you will be redirected to a receipt page. This receipt can be printed and can be shared to the customer. If you go and see against this particular transaction, you can see the payment history against this transaction. So as you can see, transaction history is there. You will see the mode of collection, that is check, the amount that was paid against this check, the bank name, and all the details. The receipt, if you want, you can print the receipt also. So that's it. You can log in to the Hilo platform from our website.